Welcome back. Today I am going to be coloring my hair with Arctic Fox in Sunset Orange. For this look, I will be using a coloring conditioner, straight up regular conditioner. Use any kind you like. This brush for the details in the front. This wide comb to comb through once the color is in the hair to distribute the color evenly. Something to mix the coloring conditioner in. A glove, a regular grocery bag to cover my hair once it is colored so it can sit, and also a beanie cap to cover it and keep it warm. And I have put in about this much conditioner. It is quite a bit. It is a lot, but it's better to make too much than not enough and having to mix more. I have used the other colors in the past. That is very, very red. It's like a red orange that comes out on the show. That is what I'm working with, and this is what I'm going to mix. You can see the orange is coming through as it is becoming mixed. It is becoming more orange. This is the color where it's at. It is very orange. I'll call it like an apricot peach. It's very pretty. I am curious to see what it's going to look like after. And here is my gray hairs. Salt and pepper mostly in the back. Very, very lots of white and silvers in the front. So that's how I do it. I just put on the glove. Go for it. That is very, very, very pumpkin-y. I have never done orange before, so this is a first. Although I did used to color my hair red, like a natural ginger color in my 20s, and I thought it looked really good, and everybody loved it. I got lots of compliments on it, so I know orangey does go with my skin tone pretty nice. So hopefully this comes out really beautiful. I've just never done it like this. And one time I put highlights on my orange hair myself and I fried it. And that was before I knew, look at my arm. That was before I knew that don't process your hair back to back, let it rest, but I just couldn't resist. Can't remember what I did. Yeah, I think I did orange hair first. I'm just gonna smush it in. I did my orange hair and then I put a cap, frosting cap, I think it's called, on top of that. And my hair melted. I still remember when it was coming off in the shower. It was like little skinny noodles. Like angel hair pasta. At the tips, not all of it, just at the tips. And what's funny about it is that even though that happened, I didn't care. I said, you know what? It is what it is. The tips came off, so what? And it looked like I layered my hair. And I styled it and I did my makeup. And I went out to the mall. I felt so good. I was like, you know what? I love it. I think it looks nice. And I went to the mall and I went shopping and I got so many compliments. Oh my gosh, I love your hair. That is so pretty. True story. And I bought this cute little shirt too. Can't remember where I bought it, but I found this perfect shirt that was like red and white. So beautiful. But I do remember seeing my hair and like, oh. And just staying positive. Just saying, you know what, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be good. It's still gonna look great. Did my best to stay positive. This is very orange. I think it's gonna be great. I did make quite a bit of it, and I might end up having a little bit too much, but what I do is I just pile it on top when it's done. Just make sure everything is nice and saturated. A lot of color. I have to get the details. For the details, I use my magnifying mirror and this brush. Alright, so I'm going to comb it through. To distribute all the color throughout the hair. I just remembered a conversation I had about this color. I really like it. I think it looks nice and fiery. Very, very pretty. If it stays this color. If it stays this bright orange, I would not mind at all. Not one bit. I think that would be very pretty. That feels so good, just running it through my hair. Oh, so nice. Oh yeah, bro. I love it. Look how the orange and the brown, I think that's how it's gonna look when it's done. So what I'm gonna do now is just clip it and then get more details. And I have got this orange all over me. I'm gonna put more on. Completely cover it. It's looking good though. Don't you think? Fun. And I didn't cover my skin with any sort of protection. I don't care about the staining. I would rather have a little bit of staining on my skin for a day or two than to risk that petroleum jelly covering my hair and then I miss a spot. That is more of a something I don't enjoy than just a little bit of staining. I don't mind. I don't care. No big deal. Right now I'm just piling up on top of everything, whatever's left, so I can sit and marinate really well. Alright, so here we are, and this is where we're at, and then I'm gonna put the plastic bag on top of my head. I have tried my best to completely saturate the color. Look how bright it is. I love it. I love how it looks sitting on my head right now. Pretty fun. And here's the bag. Keep it warm. And I'm gonna blow dry it underneath the hat right here to keep it warm initially. And then I will leave this on my head for at least 2 hours, up to 4 hours, or as long as I have that I can wear this. All right, so I'm ready to wash off my hair color, and this is where we're at. I'll wash it out and be back then. And here is the finished look, and I am quite shocked that in the camera and in certain parts of the lighting, it looks very pink and lavender. And I was expecting orange. When I went into my closet to pick out my outfit that I was going to wear, it did look peachy orange in that lighting. And here is the back. I have changed the camera angle because there is direct sunlight pouring in my window. As you can see, look, the color in the sunlight. Now, I do love it. I think that it's really nice and it's very pretty and it is perfect. It is not orange that I expected, but I love it. I did used to wear pink in my hair, so I am kind of used to it. This one does have a little bit more of a peach in it, but I did notice that like towards the ends where I still had some of the yellow, it is more orangey. So there is like a cascade of different colors, which I think looks really nice and really beautiful. So this is the final look. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please show the video some love and give it a like. Big shout out to my members. Thank you so much for all your support. It is greatly appreciated. Please consider joining my members, where you will get early access to all my videos before they go public and exclusive members only content. If you haven't already, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I release new videos or do a live stream. I also read and appreciate all of your comments. Thanks so much. Thanks to you again, and I hope you are having a beautiful day. See you soon. See you on the next one. See ya. I love it. I think it's beautiful. Perfect.